demonstrate how launch control works. It's really straightforward, but you need some preparations. Let me show you how it's done.
Alright, so first find a suitable place to perform launch control. Yeah, okay, maybe not here. Find yourself an open straight road with no one around. That's better. Preferably perform launch control with some heat in your tires. Of course, also make sure your coolant and oil are up to temperature, as well as the gearbox. Heating up the oil took forever, as I have the best damn oil cooler on the market. Check it out. So put your foot on the brake, put it in drive.
Carbon fiber. Nice.
Flick it into manual mode.
Alcantara. Nice.
Hold the traction control off button for 5 seconds. Then with your foot on the brake, fully depress the accelerator. And release the brake.
Jezus.
Great fun! You can also change the RPM with the cruise control button. Alright, so let's try that one more time.
That was it. As I said, quite straightforward. Guys, this was just a quick and fun video. Next time we'll be back wrenching on the M2 or the Mini. Please consider subscribing. I really want to get to that 3 million subscribers. Guys, thank you so much for watching and see you next time.